So now the next thing that we're gonna do is basically set up our environment. And what does that mean? Basically just set up our project folder and download all the packages that we need. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to github.com and then you're gonna go to CodingPhase.com. You know, CodingPhase, DOTCOM. Right? You're going to go there, github.com / CodingPhase.com, and the first thing you're gonna do is download the starter kit. All right, you're gonna come here. You could either clone it or you could just download it. You know, to keep things simple, we're gonna download this. It's gonna download into a zip file. It's gonna go into our downloads folder. Okay, so let's go here, downloads. All right, cool. Let me see, where is it? Okay, starter kit. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna double click it. Well, for me it's just right click, click archive, unzip it, right? Unzip your folder. Then from there, for me, what I have is I have a project folder. So on my, basically, we're gonna come here to the terminal. We're gonna come to the terminal and we're gonna do CD and then the little squiggly line, right? The one right up above the tab key on your left side of the keyboard. Gonna go there, that's gonna take you to the home, right? And then here you're gonna create a folder. You're gonna call it projects. You're gonna say make their projects. All right, I already created it, so it's already there for me. Right, so once you click there, you're gonna press enter and that's gonna create that folder for you. Right, the next thing that I want you guys to do is open up a new Finder window, right? And pretty much you're gonna right click, let's say for example on your desktop, right? Go to your desktop, you come home, or you could even do this directly from here. You could say CD and then you go to projects, and then inside of projects you're gonna say open dot, and that's going to open that projects folder for you. Right, what I want you guys to do is come back over here, come back to the home, take this projects folder and drag it to your favorites so you always have access to it. That's why I already did it here. Okay, click on projects. All right, now once you're here, you have a couple of projects, right? For me, I have a whole bunch of different projects, but what we want to do is we want to actually drag a folder, right? The one that we had here in our downloads called Starter Kit 2018, drag it in, right? Now here we're gonna name this React, and let's say React dash Redux. Okay, React dash Redux. Cool. So what we're going to do is now we're gonna double click on that, right? And here on our terminal, we're going to go into that folder. We're gonna say CD React dash Redux. Okay, cool. Now click ls. All right, so we have a couple of files here. Now we're gonna follow the instructions that we have here. If you guys haven't installed Node, you're going to come to this link and install it. Basically, you could come here, download that, and install Node to your computer, right? You could also install Yarn after you install Node. That's up to you. If you want to install Yarn, it's optional, right? Make sure you have a text editor, Atom, of course, and all this other stuff is just optional. Don't worry about that. You don't need it. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is you want to come down here to the folder, right? So we already inside of React Redux, right? One thing that we're forgetting is installing Gulp. So we're gonna go to gulp.js, search it on Google. So it's gulpjs.com, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this, paste it here. That is going to install Gulp, right? So you click enter, and once you click enter, then you have access to Gulp on your commands, right, on the terminal. All right, so just follow those instructions, right, and make sure you install this because it's very important. All right, now the next thing that we want to do is we're gonna say npm install, right, and you're gonna let that run. So that's gonna take a little while. You know, it's a lot of files that are downloading and installing into that package for the node modules, right? So once that's done, then from there we can jump into our project. All right, guys, this might take a little while, so I might post a video for you guys, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so everything basically downloaded, and now we good. All right, so let's get started. What we're gonna do is now we're gonna say npm run watch, and there you go. That's it. We got everything started, guys. We got React, we got our project ready, and now we're good. We can actually come here, create a new window, right? Make sure it says React Redux on your terminal. That means that you're inside of that project. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're gonna say something like open, and then dot, then you say a, and then you'll say Atom. Then that will open Atom with our project inside of it. All right, makes our life much easier. I would definitely recommend downloading a package called ES6. So install here, you come here, you say ES6, all right, search it, make sure you install it. I will say, let me tell you right now, I will say the first one, language JavaScript ES6. All right, install that, and also install this one, which is called Platformio ID Terminal. What this does is basically it gives us the access to a terminal straight from Atom. So now you can just click right here at this little corner and you have a terminal. So you don't have to keep switching from here to here. You could just do everything here. Okay. All right. So currently we're running npm run watch here, which is running Gulp and Webpack and everything for us. So yeah, let's get started. I'll see you guys in the next video. Joe back at it again, man. CodingPhase.com. Listen, this whole course right here that you are watching here on YouTube is part of a larger course, man. It's part of the big picture, guys. It's part of the 5 projects that's gonna get you hired. Now, you guys have seen the video that I created, basically going over every single project that you need to build. Guys, if you do this in React, pretty much you're set, right? Now, I'm actually going to take my time. I'm going to build all of those 5 projects for you guys, so you guys can build this with me and you can use this for your portfolios. Guys, major websites, this is major key, guys. All right, just go to CodingPhase.com, register, guys, subscribe. If you guys don't want to wait for this course to somehow be released on YouTube, come to the website. You can watch it right now. You don't have to wait. I'll see you guys later.